I'm gonna start by placing all my little different types of peeps that I have here. I have some birds and some bunnies and all different colors. Look at how vibrant and cute this is. This is such a great Easter treat idea. Look at how cute that is. Now we're gonna come in with some Rice Krispies cereal and just very super simple and easy. Just pour it over the top just so you could cover all those little marshmallow treats perfectly. There we go. We'll just spread it around here. Make sure that's all covered up. Looks great. Grab yourself a stick of butter. Mine is conveniently pre-sliced. Okay, look at that. We're almost done. Bam, we got all that butter on there. Great. Okay, one last time. We're coming back in with these little guys here. We got bunnies. There we go. Oh, here, we'll space out put some blue here. We'll put some blue here. And we pull those guys apart. There we go. Great. That is perfect. Okay, back in with the Rice Krispies cereal and pour that over the top. You can kind of have these guys peeping out a little bit. I didn't even do that on purpose. Get it? Peeping out.
Oh, funny.
Oh, check back for daily jokes.
Glad you can entertain yourself.
Okay, guys, that's it. Look at this. We're just going to stick this in the oven. We're going to put it at 350 for 15 minutes, and then we're going to take it out, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. There we go. Look at that. Our peeps are peeping. I love that. I love that joke right there. Okay, you guys, our peeps are nice and melted, and now I'm just giving it a stir all together with our Rice Krispies here. Yum. Look at all of that sweet, gooey goodness and those marshmallows. But I love the color. I love how the yellow and the pink and the purple and the blue, they just kind of start swirling all together. Ooh, they smell so good. I can smell the butter and the Rice Krispies. Look at this cute. Oh my gosh, this is such a great idea. All right, I'm just gonna stir this last corner in here. Oh, there's a yellow right there coming through.
So Eastery.
So Eastery here. Look at those colors. These are gonna be nice and gooey and delicious. Okay, so there we go. We have that. And I just love all those colors that are just all popping through in there. It just totally gives me like this Easter holiday vibe. And now we're gonna do even more. We are gonna come in with some of these Reese's Pieces eggs, and I'm going to sprinkle them all over the top while this is still nice and melted. And that way these Reese's eggs can just kind of stick right in there. All right, and then I'm just gonna kind of push them down right here like this with my fingers. Push them all down. Look at how good those colors go together. Ooh, the peeps with that. Oh gosh, I love it. All right, now I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of sprinkles. I was kind of on the fence about it. I wanna just kind of see, oh yeah, I do like how that looks. I'm just putting a really little bit, almost kind of like in the holes of where these eggs are right here. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, it's like an Easter celebration. Ooh, and the peanut butter from the Reese's Pieces are gonna be so good with this marshmallow. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love it. stick around. I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit. And then I'm going to grab a piece of this for sure. Ooh, look at you guys. I feel like they even look even better than they did before. Look once again at all those colors. I love them. And this is just going to be so good. Ooh, I can see that it's super marshmallowy. And I'm gonna get all these Reese's eggs right here because that is my all-time favorite. So I'm just gonna come right in the front here and get ourselves a good piece. Ooh, all right, let's see. Let's open this up. Look at that. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. Yes, okay, let's go. Let's go, no more waiting. God. Wow. Delicious, super cute, extremely easy. What a fun twist on the Easter treat. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think. What do you think about this?